Today you will make a light blink on, off, on, off. This is your very first Arduino project. It's easy, let's do it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hamza Robo. Last time we learned about the Arduino board. Today we blink our first LED. Let's start. You need 4 things: Arduino Uno, USB cable, 1 LED, 1 resistor. If you don't have an LED, no problem, your Arduino already has one built in. Look at your board, there is a small LED already on it. It is next to pin number 13. We can use this one, no wires needed. Want you to use your on LED, one leg as long, one leg as short. Long leg goes to pin 13 through resistor, short leg goes to ground. That's it. Now this leg goes to pin number 13. And this one goes to ground. Here you can see that. "13" and ground. Now we plug in. Now open Arduino IDE. Let's write the code together. First, setup. This run one time. We write pinMode 13 output. This tells pin 13 to turn thing on and off. Next, loop. This run again and again. We have 4 lines. digitalWrite 13 high. LED turns on. Delay 1000. Wait 1 second. digitalWrite 13 low. LED turns off. Delay 1000. Wait 1 second. Then it repeat on wait, off wait forever. Let's remember: setup run one time, loop run again and again, LED on wait, LED off wait. This is simple idea is used in almost every Arduino project. Plug in your Arduino. Pick your board. And now pick your port. Click upload. Watch the LED on off. You did it. This is your first Arduino program. Great job. Next we learn push button, relays, sensor, motors. Stay with me to learn it all step by step. Next video we add a button so you can control this LED yourself. Subscribe to Hamza Robo. Take care and happy learning.